We're gonna go see how pregnant Mama's doing and try to make a decision whether Dad should sleep on the couch or not. It's gonna be dark, but we'll just listen. Okay. Maybe Bulldog might even be talking to us. I think that might be why Dad can't sleep so good, being how nose would be directly in ear, Bulldog would be right underneath, doing the same thing. If they time it just perfectly, it can be one continuous snore. Oh, it looks so comfy. See if it's still going on. Stay tuned for the next episode of